Want to surprise your friends on Telegram with a gift they'll remember? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through every step of gifting stars to your friends, giving you an exciting way to send animated gifts, emojis, or even treat someone to Telegram Premium. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send gifts that bring a little extra joy into someone's chat. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Telegram app. Make sure you're logged in and updated to the latest version so you have access to all the newest features. Once you're inside the app, navigate to the chat or profile of the friend you want to send a gift to. You can do this by either searching for their name at the top or scrolling through your recent conversations. Take your time finding the right friend. This step is all about choosing who you want to brighten someone's day for. Next, let's look for the gift-giving options. At the top right corner of your friend's profile, you'll see 3 dots, either vertically stacked or in a neat little row, depending on your device. These dots are like a secret menu, so tap on them. Don't worry if your app looks slightly different. Updates can change icons, but the 3 dots are usually a safe bet for more options. Once you tap the 3 dots, a list of choices will appear. Scan down until you spot Send a Gift. Go ahead and tap that. If it's your first time, it might feel a little mysterious, but this is where the magic starts to happen. Now for the fun part, choosing your gift. Telegram gives you several creative choices here. You might see animated emojis that dance across the screen or special gifts that stand out from standard messages. And if you've collected Telegram stars, you can use these for something really special, gifting your friend a Telegram Premium subscription. It's like sending a golden ticket to extra Telegram perks. Spend a moment browsing through the gift options to pick something that matches your friend's personality or your relationship. Maybe it's a playful emoji for your chatty sibling, or a premium upgrade for a group admin who deserves a treat. Before sending your gift, you have the chance to personalize it with a message. This step is optional, but it adds a thoughtful touch like writing "Happy Birthday" or a simple "Thinking of you." Even dropping in a favorite emoji can make your gift feel more heartfelt. Take a second to type something in or skip ahead if you want to keep it simple. There's also an option to keep your gift a little mysterious. Telegram will let you choose whether you want your identity to show up with the gift. So if you prefer to stay anonymous, maybe you're planning a surprise or just love a little intrigue, toggle on the anonymity option. This way, only your friend gets to know the secret sender while everyone else stays guessing. Ready to finish up? To complete your gift, Telegram will prompt you to pay using your stars. Think of stars as tokens you've collected in the app. It's super straightforward. Just follow the payment prompts, double-check your selections, and confirm. This part might take a few moments depending on your internet connection, so don't worry if things spin for a second. And that's it, your gift is on its way. You've just added a fun, personal touch to someone's Telegram experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like, leave a comment below with any questions or stories about gifting on Telegram, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy gifting!